and welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting here in the shower fully dressed. Well, today I am going to clean these ones. And I'm gonna use this shoe cleaner with a brush and some cleaning products inside. So we're just gonna wash it all off and then start cleaning the boots. I actually heard that you shouldn't use a impregnation for Gore-Tex, so I'm just gonna clean out the boots and we'll see the result. Okay, so let's start like this. Okay. So I prompt them up here on a chair upside down, and they are going to dry out here for a couple of hours, and then we can see the result, but it's already looking great. Okay, so let's see how it all went. It's the day after and the boots have been drying out during the night, and this is what they look like. Okay. So it's still a little bit of dirt in the crevices, but it's actually a lot better. I don't know if you can see it here in the bad lighting. So, a pair of fresh boots for next season. And of course you can do this with every kind of boot. You can do it with textile boots as well. And all leather boots and synthetic materials. So it's just a shoe cleaner, a soft brush, and rinse it off, let it dry. So hope you like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you on to the next.